Today, we are going to factorize the third expression. So how to factorize the third expression? We have many methods, but I'll just teach you one easier method today. So to solve this kind of equation, since it's not a quadratic equation, you will turn it to quadratic form before now solving it in this way. How to proceed? Firstly, let root x be equal to, assuming maybe small a, you can choose any variable to represent this root x. I prefer to use a. You may like to use b, x, and square. But please don't use the same letter as the letter under the square root so that it will not confuse you. So small a. If square root of x is equal to small a, that means square root of x squared will give us small a squared. And square root of x squared is the same thing as x. Means x is equal to a squared. Now we now recall it 3x minus 17 root x plus 10 equal to 0 is an equation. It will be the same thing as the equivalent to wherever you will see x, you will change it with its value, which is a squared. So it now gives us 3 a squared minus 17a. Why a? Because root x is equal to a, as you call it here, plus 10 is equal to 0. Now you now find yourself in a quadratic equation form. You will now solve it, or we have many ways of solving it. You can use factorization method, probability to the square method, almighty formula method, and co. So how will you use factorization method, since one that is one of the simplest way? So it will give us what? 3a squared minus, now this 17, I have to split it into two numbers. And when I add them or subtract them, it will give you this 17a. So if I check very well for the factors of this one, it will give us minus 2 2a minus 15a plus 10 equal to 0. How did I get this one? I just manipulate it in factorization method. You use the first and the last digits, multiply them together, give us 30a squared. Now 30a squared now, find the factors of 30. We have 2 and 15. So the 2 and 15 now, we multiply them now to give us 30. And since here now must be minus, that will be minus 2a times minus 15a. That will give us 30a squared. Now the minus 2a minus 15a must give us 17 minus 17a before you can now proceed. So from this place now, let's now factorize it. 3a squared minus 2a. Join them together. A is common here. You have a and a here. I mean, pick a, open bracket. 3a minus the remaining number here is 2. You close your bracket, minus. Don't forget, if you put a minus in front of any bracket, it will change the sign inside the brackets. So minus, we have 15 and 10 here. Their HCF, which is the highest common factor, is 5. It's 5. Open your bracket. Out of this minus 15a, it will remain what? It remains 3a. Here is 3a. Here was plus, inside here to be minus. And 5 in 10 is 2, which is 2. Now we have common factors. So when you have common factors now, you will now move to factorize them now. You will choose one of the two. Choose one. All must be equal to 0. Choose one, it will be 3a minus 2. Now open the second bracket. The remaining numbers we are having here are a minus 5 equal to 0. So you now come to the factorization now. Now factorize it. Give us 3a minus 2 equal to 0, or a minus 5 equal to 0. Bring these 2 in the side. Give us 3a equal to 2, or a equal to 5. Divide both sides by 3. Give us a is equal to 2 over 3, or a equal to 5. So you will now find your variable a, which is equal to either 2 over 3 or 5. You will not stop because you recall square root of a, square root of x was what? Was a. As you said, you will now come and substitute them now. So which will give us what? Instead of now a, you will now write square root of x for the value of a. That means to be square root of x equal to 2 over 3, or square root of x equal to 5. So you cannot stop here. You have to get the value of x. So that means you will square both sides. That's square root of x square is equal to 2 over 3 square, or square root of x square is equal to 5 square. So square root of x square is equal to x. As you said here, square root of x square is equal to x. So therefore, to give us x is equal to 2 over 3 square. That means 2 square and 3 square. So 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. Or x is equal to 5 square, which is 25. So now we are at the final result. So we can now write therefore x is equal to 4 over 9, or 25. So these are the two results for our x. So thank you very much for following Press the Cap. Learn mathematics daily with us. Please subscribe to our channel. Just click on the dot and like it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.